Hello everyone and welcome to this explaining series where we are going to learn how to stake Ethereum or how to stake BNB in Lympid platform. So after logging in, you should go to the marketplace. So let's go there. After that, you'll go to the part of earn and you'll see that you can earn Ethereum or you can earn BNB. So the process is the same. So let's do it for Ether, okay? If you click on earn Ether, you will see that you can invest USDC, BUSD, Euro or USDT into staked Ether. So first of all, if you have Ethereum, you should go to your Ethereum holdings, go to trade, select the Ethereum and the amount that you want to invest into the staking Ether product. So you will convert Ethereum to Euro, trade, and in just a few seconds you will have your euros to invest into the staking Ether product. After that, go to the same place, earn Ether, and now you will have the euros. So the same amount of Ethereum that you want to invest. Let's click on maximum. And preview. Trade. It shouldn't take long. And input your code. And that is it. You just invested into a staked Ether product. What this is doing is generating yield for you on your Ethereum. So you're going to earn more Ethereum than what you have. It can vary from 4 to 6% per year. So now that you waited some time for the profits to accumulate, let's see how you can retrieve your profits with your Ether that you stake. So you just go to Anchor Stake Ether, you click on withdraw or trade. If you want to convert it to euros, you go here, Anchor Ether, and you put on the value of Ether that you want to withdraw or to trade for another asset. You click on Euro, preview, trade, and then you add the SMS code. And that's it. Simple. Thanks for watching.